More than 30, probably 40 or 50, I don't know, restaurants here over at Leganes, Dumangas, Pavia area. Wonderful. We just had one good time of breakfast, lunch, and it was really wonderful. We are now headed towards the port. I will be in Dumangas port to go straight now to Bacolod City. Abba, this is a place rich, filled with fish and mussels and crabs and all other seafood delicacies. This is a prosperous river basket of many kinds. So salamat, nandito tayo sa Iloilo. Pastorante and Panay is well cared for because of the calling of the man of God in Pastorante and Ate Faith. Come on, tara, let's eat here. One of these days, you can choose between 30, 40, 50 high-end, high-level eating of seafood in the restaurants. Wow.